Hello, welcome to the tutorial on setting up the working directory in Jupyter. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to set up the working directory in Jupyter, upload files in the working directory. Before we start with the programming, the first step is to set up our directory or the drive location where we will be saving all your data files and Python files. This drive location will be the one from where our program would work and hence is known as the working directory. So, let's open the Jupyter Notebook by selecting and clicking the Jupyter Notebook icon from the Start menu. Now we navigate to the location where we want to set up our working directory. By default, it will be showing the location where we have installed our Anaconda software. We use our browser and select our desired location. We do not have to double click on the icons. Single click would do the job for us. It would be better if we create a folder in this location for saving all our files so that it becomes easier for us to manage them. For creating a new folder, navigate to New on the top right hand side of the window and select New Folder. A new folder would be created in the name of Untitled folder. We can rename our folder by selecting the Untitled folder and clicking Rename on the left uppermost side. Now we type the new name and click Rename. Now from the top right hand corner, we select the new icon for Python 3 and we have your new programming window. We have finally set up your working directory. Remember, in Jupyter Notebook, we need not manually save our codes. They will be automatically saved to your working directory with the extension of .ipynb. If we want, we can click on the untitled name for the program and give it a desired name. If we want to view the Python code for some other project, we can navigate using the browser and click Open the file for viewing or editing. Please note that if that file has ipynb, that is Python Notebook extension only, then it will open in the editing window where you can execute the commands, else they will open up in the notepad format where you can view the files. For example, we have a file with the extension of .py. It is also a Python file but not a Jupyter Notebook file. Let's open it. Here, we can view and edit the code but cannot execute it. So this is how we can create and open files in our working directory. Now, let's understand how we can move a file from another location to our working directory. Just beside the New button on the top right hand side, you will find the Upload button. Using this button, you will be able to upload files in your working directory. Other than using upload functionality of Jupyter Notebook, another way to upload a different project's file in your working directory is to simply copy it from your current location on your hard drive and paste it in the folder on your drive corresponding to your working directory. After which you will be able to view or edit it here. So that's all about setting up the working directory. In the next tutorial, we will learn about basic libraries available in Python. See you then.